Welcome to the Car Research channel. Today I will show you how to find and manage display settings on the VIVO X300 Pro. First of all, scroll down and open Settings through this little button. In Settings, scroll down to Display Brightness and Eye Protection. Let's discuss the options here. First is the dark mode. I recommend dark mode for using the phone because it uses less battery on OLED screens, as well as it's a little easier for the eyes, personally. But for video purposes, I'm going to pick light mode. Scroll down, and here we can control our brightness. Through this bar you can make your screen dimmer and brighter. Of course you can also control it through the quick access menu. You can also disable and enable auto brightness. Next up is Eye Comfort Shield. Eye Comfort Shield filters out blue light, but personally I don't like it because it makes the screen a little yellowish. Let's test it out. As you can see, it makes the screen yellow. Of course you can use it to read books and whatnot. Let's disable it. Go back. And there are still several options left. Next up is the auto lock. I've set it to the max of 10 minutes, but I recommend picking less because it saves battery and makes your device more secure if you leave it alone. Let's scroll down and here you can configure font size and display size. If you have trouble seeing, you can enable text here to be bigger. You can also make it bold for the same reason. Of course, this bar controls how big your text is. You can make it really small or really big. I'm going to make it big so you can see it on camera. Let's go back and we can configure our display size. Display size is basically zoom, which will enlarge all pictures. You can make it larger and very large and also small. This option is recommended for people with trouble seeing, especially seniors. Go back. Here are still a few options left to us. And that's screen color, screen resolution and refresh rate. Screen colors can control the tone of your screen. First of all are these three options. Pick whatever you'd like. You can also change the temperature of your screen. Through here, you can make your screen purple, green, red. You can also make it warm, cool, but I like the default option the most. Let's go back. Then we can change our screen resolution through this menu. It pretty much says everything here. UHD is higher resolution for sharper images, and HD is lesser resolution for more battery life. Pick whatever you'd like more. Next up is screen refresh rate. We have two options, 60 Hz and 120 Hz. 120 Hz is recommended for gaming, and 60 Hz is recommended for a longer battery life. You can also choose smart adaptation, which depending on how much battery you have left, will automatically pick your screen refresh rate. Thanks for watching, subscribe to this Car Research channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.